Welcome everyone. In this video, we are going to learn accidental equivalence or deceptive simplicity in NMR. If protons are chemically non-equivalent, like this, Hb and Hc, these protons are chemically non-equivalent, but they have nearly same value of chemical shift. Such type of equivalence is known as accidental equivalence or deceptive simplicity. Let us learn. If protons have different chemical environment, that is chemically non-equivalent, but have nearly same value of chemical shift, is known as accidental equivalence or deceptive simplicity. This is the example of 2,5-dichloronitrobenzene. In this compound, there are three set of protons, Ha, Hb and Hc. But for proton B and C, they have different chemical environment. For proton Hb, the chlorine is at ortho position and nitro is at para position. For Hc proton, the one chlorine is at ortho position and another nitro group is at meta position. Thus, for proton B and C, they have different chemical environment. That is, they are chemically non-equivalent. But it is observed that these two protons have nearly same value of chemical shift. They behave like equivalent protons and they couple with proton Ha and gives the doublet in the spectra. The doublet is obtained at 7.5 delta ppm. That is, these both proton behave like a equivalent proton and gives the doublet with coupling with Ha proton. While the Ha proton couples with proton B and C and it gives triplet in the spectra at 7.9 delta. The another important factor is that the expected coupling constant. The coupling between Ha and Hb, it is the meta coupling, and that meta coupling should be between 2 to 3 Hz. Coupling between Ha and Hc, it is a para coupling. It should be nearly 0. But it is observed that for both doublet and triplet, the coupling constant is 1.6 Hz. That is coupling of Ha with Hb or Hc with Ha, it is 1.6 Hz. Thus, the spectra looks like a first order spectra, although it is a non-first order. Such type of simplicity is known as accidental equivalence or deceptive simplicity. That's about this term, deceptive simplicity. Thank you very much.